The E2 Treaty Investor Program is an attractive and sought-after option for individuals seeking to establish or expand their existing business to the United States of America. Under the E2 visa program, the initial non-immigrant visa is issued for 2 years and can be renewed multiple times as long as the investment and business operations continue to meet the program's criteria. This flexibility allows the investor to reside in the U.S. and manage their business. In addition, the E2 visa includes dependent visa for spouse and children under the age of 21, wherein the children can enroll in schools, universities, and the spouse receives work authorization and can seek various employment opportunities. To apply for the E2 visa, applicants can apply from in and outside the U.S. Processing time for E2 visa applications can vary, with average processing time between 6 to 12 months. To qualify for the E2 visa, an individual must be a national of a country that has a treaty of commerce and navigation with the United States. Pakistan, Bangladesh, Mexico, Canada, and the United Kingdom are included in the list of the said treaty countries. Secondly, the applicant must have either invested or be actively in the process of investing a substantial amount of capital into a U.S. enterprise. The determination of what constitutes substantial is based on a case-to-case basis and the nature of business. In our experience, an investment of around USD 100,000 qualifies as a substantial investment. The USCIS official fee and professional services fee would of course apply separately. Thirdly, the applicant must intend to enter the United States solely to develop and direct an enterprise. The applicant must be actively involved in the business. A sleeping partner arrangement does not work. Although there is no specific job creation requirement, since the regulation requires that the business should not be a marginal business, hence the applicant should keep hiring future employees in their calculations. We recommend 3 to 5 employees. There are 2 options for investment. The first option is to establish a new company. In this case, the investor initiates by incorporating a new business entity. This process involves opening a bank account, making a business plan, and ensuring all necessary structures are in place for the business to commence operations. Once these preparations are completed, the investor can proceed to apply for the E2 visa. On the other hand, the second option involves buying at least 50% shareholding, or if less, obtaining operational control through a management position or other corporate device. In this scenario, the investor negotiates and executes purchase, business, and management agreements with the current owner or owners of the enterprise to secure management control of the enterprise. In order to mitigate the risk of visa rejection, the investor can execute the transaction through the escrow method of payment, which involves executing an escrow agreement, whereby funds are safely kept in a secure escrow account and released only after the issuance of the E2 visa, and the funds are returned if the visa is rejected. A crucial component of the E2 visa application is the business plan, which serves as a roadmap outlining the investor's vision and strategy for their U.S.-based enterprise. The business plan plays a vital role by clearly articulating the specifics of the business the investor intends to operate. It provides detailed insights into the nature of the business, including its products or services, the intended location of operations, and the targeted market segment. Furthermore, the plan outlines the investor's marketing strategy and employee projections, identifying how they plan to attract and retain customers in a competitive market environment. Under the E2 visa program, there exists a broad spectrum of opportunities for investors to pursue various business ideas and ventures in the United States. There are no restrictions on the types of businesses an applicant can consider, as long as the proposed activities are legal, and the investor can substantiate their business concept with a robust business plan and proof of adequate funds. When preparing a business plan, applicants are encouraged to demonstrate not only the feasibility and profitability of their initial business idea, but also how they envision scaling up the business over time. In our experience, we have seen investors invest in businesses such as a franchise, gas station, restaurant, motel, convenience store, cell phone repair services, and home maintenance and repair services to secure their E2 visa. Business brokers working in the U.S. can be engaged who can help you find the right business, or websites like bizbuysell.com or businessesforsale.com, etc. also offer a lot of options. We recommend proper due diligence before the purchase of any business. The U.S. E-2 visa offers a compelling opportunity for foreign investors and entrepreneurs looking to expand their business ventures. With its flexibility and numerous benefits, the E-2 visa allows an investor to enter the United States to invest in and manage a business without a fixed minimum investment requirement, as long as the investment is substantial enough to ensure the enterprise's success. To capitalize on your business acumen, invest your funds in the U.S. and relocate with your family. You should consider the E-2 visa. Absolute Legal Works offers full range of U.S. immigration law services. It has a collaboration with the Pakistani law firm Axis Law Chambers. Prospective clients can contact at the contact numbers or emails given below to set up an appointment for their free initial consultation. This video is not to be considered as specialized legal advice and is for general information purposes only. We encourage every investor to obtain specialist legal advice before embarking on their E-2 visa journey.